She was right behind me. I only looked away for 1 second.
The gate is locked! Lisa, the tickets failed! I can't get to you!
June! June! June, where are you? Okay, everyone, Chicago Union Station is huge. We need to find the train to Glacier National Park.
Right. The Mountain Star Express leaves soon. We need to check the departure board for our track number.
What is a departure board? A place to eat lunch. B, a screen showing train times. C, a board for playing games.
Dad, look! I see a giant screen over there with lots of numbers. Is that it?
Ha! Yes, Jake, that's the one. Let's see. Train 7, track 14.
Mom, I can carry the snacks for the long trip. I want to help.
Oh, thanks, June. Mark, I know you have the tickets on your phone, but, do we have a reservation for actual seats? What is a reservation? A booked seat. B, a type of train engine. C, a station map.
Yes, I booked 4 seats together. But, oh no, my phone battery is at 2%. We should print the paper tickets just in case.
Good idea. Look, there is an automated machine near that big pillar. What is an automated machine? A person who works there. B, a computer that gives tickets. C, a type of fast train.
I'll go print them. Lisa, keep an eye on the kids. This crowd is moving fast.
I'm trying, but I feel a bit all at sea with all these different signs and tracks.
That means you feel confused or you don't know what to do, right, Mom?
That's exactly right, Jake. I'm very confused by this station.
Whew, I got them. We need to go through the ticket barriers now.
What is a ticket barrier? A gate that opens with a ticket. B, a wall in the station. C, a train window. Okay, line up. Jake, you go first. June, stay right behind me.
Wait, the crowd is pushing. Jake, scan your ticket and go through.
I'm through. The gate opened perfectly.
Mine worked too. June, your turn. June, Mark, where is June? She was right there.
She's not here. A huge group of travelers walked between us, and I lost sight of her.
Oh no, she didn't come through the gate. Mark, she's still out there in the main hall.
Wait, the light is red. It's not opening.
What? Why did yours fail when ours worked?
The machine must have printed the wrong date on the last 2 tickets. Lisa, I'm stuck out here, and June is missing.
This is a nightmare. Jake and I are on the platform, but you and June are on the other side. Wait, if you need to master English for daily conversations, grab our ebook. It has 25 easy English stories with grammar spotlights, practical quizzes, and speaking prompts to help you learn. Link in the description. Now we have to find June.
I need to find a staff member to help me get to you.
What is a staff member? A passenger. B, a person who works there. C, a tourist.
Sir, what is the problem?
My daughter is missing in the hall, and my wife and son are stuck behind the gate. My tickets have the wrong date.
I will open the gates so your wife can come back out. You all need to meet in the concourse to search together. It's easier to see everyone in the open hall.
What is a concourse? A train engine. B, a large open area in a station. C, a small bathroom. Mark, we need to keep our cool so we can find her quickly.
That means we stay calm and think properly, right?
Yes. Let's start at the last place we saw her. We will look carefully and call her name quietly. We don't want to cause a panic.
I'll check the ticket counter. Jake, look near the entrance.
I'm looking, Dad. I don't see her purple shirt anywhere.
I'll go to the Lost and Found office. Maybe a traveler found her. What is Lost and Found? A place to buy clothes. B, an office for missing items/people. C, a toy store.
Wait, I see a security guard with a radio. Let's ask him.
Officer, please, our daughter got separated at the gate.
Is she wearing a yellow backpack?
Yes, that's her.
She's at the information desk. She walked over there as soon as she lost you.
Oh, thank God. She's smart enough to find help.
There she is, Joan!
Mommy, Daddy, I stayed right here with the nice lady.
Oh, you did the right thing, June. You found a safe place.
I'm so proud of you. When you realized you were lost, you knew to stay put until we found you.
That means you stayed in one spot and didn't move around, which made it easier for the guard to find you.
Yes, the lady at the desk told me that was the best thing to do.
Well, we are safe, but we have a big problem. Our tickets have the wrong date.
I know. I have to go to the ticket window and exchange them.
What does exchange mean? A, to fix something broken. B, to throw away. C, to trade for something else. Do you think there are seats left for tonight?
I hope so. If not, we have to find a hotel in Chicago.
Ooh, can we stay in a hotel with a pool?
That would be awesome! But wait, no, I want to see the glaciers!
Good news! They let me trade the tickets for the 8 p.m. Mountain Star Express.
Phew, that is a huge relief.
But we have 4 hours to wait. What should we do with these heavy bags?
Let's put them in luggage storage so we can go get dinner. What is luggage storage? A place to keep bags safe. B, a shop that sells suitcases. C, a seat on the train.
I'm so hungry. Can we get pizza?
Yes, Chicago pizza!
Okay, bags are stored. Let's go.
Listen to me. No one let go of anyone's hand this time.
I promise, Mommy.
Haha, all right, let's go find the best pizza in the city.
All right, class is in session. Let's see how you did on today's travel vocabulary. Departure board. B, a screen showing train times. Reservation. A. A booked seat. Automated machine. B. A computer that gives tickets. Ticket barrier. A. A gate that opens with a ticket. Staff member. B. A person who works there. Concourse. B. A large open area in a station. Lost and found. B. An office for missing items or people. Exchange. C. To trade for something else. Luggage storage. A. A place to keep bags safe.
And hey, don't forget our idioms. All at sea, feeling very confused or lost. Keep your cool, staying calm in a difficult situation. Stay put, staying in one place and not moving.
Now, answer this in the comments. Have you ever had to keep your cool in a scary situation? Keep practicing your English, be brave, and see you in the next adventure. Goodbye, everyone!